I grated the pepperoni and the result was amazing. In this recipe, I used 200 grams of pepperoni. After grating everything, set aside and start grating 200 grams of mozzarella. Cut one onion into very small pieces. And also set aside. In a container, add 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, black pepper to taste, and now all you have to do is mix everything very well. Now add 1 cup of milk, remembering that my cup has 240 ml, and all the chopped onions. Also grated pepperoni and mix again. Now sift 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Two tablespoons of oil and stir again. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And to give it a special touch, also add grated mozzarella in a skillet. Add a little oil and spread it all over the pan. Now, just add a little of our dough. Here I used 5 tablespoons and with the spoon itself just spread it. Once that's done, just cover the frying pan and leave for 2 minutes. After the 2 minutes, place the dough on a plate, turn it over, place it in the pan again and leave it on the fire for another 2 minutes. It's ready, guys. Look how amazing it looks. The result is very similar to a pancake and the taste is delicious. Do it at your house. I'm sure that everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe here from the Poor in the Kitchen. That strong hug until the next time, and thanks for